Welcome back to Power Breakfast on CNBC TV 18. Now, getting you the latest on Trump-related developments. And we have Dia joining in with us in a special segment, Trump Watch.
Big moves on the global stage this week. The White House says President Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping are likely to hold a much-anticipated phone call later this week. The conversation comes as trade tensions between the world's two largest economies remain high, with markets watching closely. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve is weighing in. Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee says that if trade policy uncertainty is resolved, the central bank could begin cutting interest rates, signaling a more flexible monetary stance ahead. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Education is pausing its plan to garnish people's Social Security benefits if they have defaulted on their student loans, a spokesperson for the agency tells CNBC. The Education Department had earlier said that Social Security benefit offsets could begin as early as June. Turning to Europe now, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy is calling on President Trump to approve more sanctions on Russia. Zelenskyy says stronger U.S. pressure is needed to force a full ceasefire, criticizing Moscow's offer of a short-term pause as nothing more than a game of rhetoric. In a related development, the White House says President Trump is open to a possible three-way peace summit in Turkey with both Russian President Vladimir Putin and Ukrainian President Zelenskyy. The proposed talks, led by Turkish President Erdogan, aim to explore a diplomatic breakthrough in the ongoing conflict. And lastly, the Trump administration now plans to tap into the $400 billion Green Bank Fund to finance nuclear energy projects. The money will go towards smaller and advanced nuclear reactors, as well as geothermal power and critical mineral infrastructure, part of the administration's 2026 budget vision. That's all for today. Now back to you.
Well, thank you so much for those comprehensive updates, Dia.